it's Miss Kim again, and it's week 2 of our ukulele lessons for beginners. Hopefully you printed out the sheets that have these 3 things on them. So we're going to be learning 2 new chords this week, the C7 and the G7, which is on that first page. So the first chord that we're going to learn is C7, and it is very easy. Now remember, hold your ukulele tight against your body with your right arm. You can hold on to it, cradle it, put your thumb behind, and your number 1 finger, which is your pointer finger, goes on that first string. The other strings are open, and that is C7. This is C that we learned last week, okay, which is your 3rd finger on that first string. So when you move to the C7, you just switch fingers and move up 2 frets. Do you remember the F chord? We'll do that real quick. F, you put your pointer finger on that 2nd string, your middle finger or number 2 finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Okay. And back to C7 and C. See, I have to look at them too. So we can go back and forth from a C to C7 to C. Now we're going to learn the G7, and that's 3 fingers. So your pointer finger, number 1 finger goes on the 1st fret of the 2nd string. Number 2 finger goes on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. And your ring finger, number 3, goes on the 2nd fret of the 1st string. I know this is a stretch. Remember, if you get a buzzing noise, you're hitting the fret itself. So move your fingers around until you get a nice clear. Okay. So we're just going to practice going back and forth from G7 to C7. So here's our G7 we have on. Now just slide your 1st finger over to that 1st string. Back over to the 2nd string and put your other 2 fingers down. That's your G7. And back to that 1st string. C7. Okay. Before we go any further, I think what we're going to do is we are going to practice. See how well you're doing with your songs from the first week. So I'm going to bend down here and get my songs from week 1, and we had, the more you get together, we get together. So let's get out that song sheet. And if you need your chord box, remember, you're making this as we go along, and these can be in pen, they don't have to be in pencil. So here's your F chord and your C chord. All right, so get your F chord on. We're going to do the more we get together. We're just going to strum that for a little bit and go to a C and the F okay, you ready to start? Okay, I am really good, really great at screwing up the tunes. So the more we get together to C, together to F, together, the more we get together, go to C, the happier we'll be. C, for your friends are F, my friends, and C, my friends are F, your friends. The more we get together, C, happier will F be. together, the happier we'll be. Okay, kookaburra. Okay, put that C on. 3rd fret. Remember? Kookaburra sits in the C. C. Mary, Mary, F of the C. C. C laugh. Kookaburra, F. C laugh. Kookaburra. Gay, your F and C. Okay. Kookaburra F in the sea gum tree. Mary, Mary, F king of the sea is he. Laugh, F. Kookaburra, C. Kookaburra, gay, your F must be. All right. I think that's a good review. So now we're going to move on, and if you would like to write down on your chord chart so that you have it. We've got 3 songs this week, so we're going to write down on our chord chart the C7. So you're going to put, the name of the chords in the top. And C7, excuse me, is just your number 1 finger on that 1st string. G7, okay? Your number 1 finger is going to be on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Your number 2 finger is going to be on the number 3 string at the 2nd fret. I guess I should do it this way instead of pointing, okay? And the number 3, or your ring finger, is going to be on the 2nd fret of the 1st string. Okay, just for review, the strings are 1, 2, 3, oops, 1, 2, 3, 4. I was doing it backwards because I was thinking through the chord box instead of your view. Okay, so the songs we have for this week are The Wheels on the Bus, Row Your Boat, and On Top of Spaghetti. So the first 2 are pretty easy, and we're actually using the F chord and the C7. So this should be a little bit easier for you to do because you've been practicing the F chord. Okay, so we're just going to practice. We're going to do this. I'm not going to sing the song. We're just going to do the chords as this. So you're going to do 4 Fs, and then you're going to move to C7 and do that twice, and then you're going to move back to F and do that 6 times, and then move back to C7 and do that twice, and F, and then we will sing. Okay? So just as if we were singing. 1, 2, 3, C7. 1, 2, F. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now C7. 1, 2. Back to F. The wheels on the bus go round and round. C7. Round and round. F. Round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round. C7. All through the F town. The wheels on the bus go round and round. C7. Round and round. F. Round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round. C7. All through the town. That's an F. Okay. So that song isn't too hard, and you can do it slowly. And nice thing with the F, there's a lot of F's in there. So if you need to catch up, just if you can keep the beat, maybe tap your toe, you can just come in on one of the beats. Okay. All right. Now we're going to do Row, Row, Row Your Boat, which is C, which is the 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of And then there's only one G7 in here, and G7 is all the way up here. So you can even maybe on the first merrily, just kind of hold off, get your fingers in position, and then you can do life, and then go back to C, okay? If that you need to do that. So we're just going to kind of do the same thing. We're just going to play the chords that we see. We're not going to sing because, you know, sometimes it's hard to do more than one thing at a time. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Get ready. G7 and C. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily. G7. Life is but a dream. And you see, I kind of took a little break in there. It didn't hurt the song. So don't worry, okay? You're practicing and you will get faster. Let's try that again. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily. G7. Life is but a sea dream. Okay? 2 very easy songs that you can practice. The last song that we have is On Top of Spaghetti. Now this is in 3/4 time, so the timing is a little bit different. 3/4 is like a waltz. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, and this one we're not going to start our chord until you get to Getty. So on top of spaghetti. Okay. So, but we're just going to practice the chords. We're just going to strum them the way that we see them, okay? We're not going to sing, because again, it might be easier just to. So you've got 3 chords. You've got the F, the C, and the G7. So you're going to need to practice going back and forth with those. So let's get our F chord on. And we're just going to strum. Now C. And G7. Nice thing is that it's not switching real quick. And then C. Then F, and C, G7, and C. Okay, are you ready to try the song? Let's get that F chord on. On top of spaghetti. I think I'm out of key. All covered with cheese. I'll get it. It'll get there. I lost my poor G7 meatball when somebody seized. Rolled off the F table and onto the C floor. And then my poor G7 meatball rolled out of the C door. It rolled in the F garden and under a seat bush. And now my poor G7 meatball C, mush. The mush was as F, tasty could C be. And early next G7 summer, it grew into a C tree. Sounds funny when I do that. The tree was all F covered with beautiful sea moss. And it grew G7 meatballs and tomato seed sauce. So if you eat F spaghetti, all covered with sea cheese, hold on to your G7 meatballs and don't ever C, F, C. Achoo! All right. Well, I hope that you are practicing, and we will see you next time for week 3 of our ukulele beginners lessons. All right. Have a good week.